Alright, this is Algeezy. Not too long ago I got my new socket from my old socket. Now, of course, I shrunk was the reason why I got the new socket. Now, there was a problem with the new socket. And it was hard to explain to my prosthesis guy. You know, I would have my leg in there. It didn't feel right. He made a lot of adjustments. It didn't feel right. I was getting frustrated. I didn't understand what my problem was. I couldn't explain it to him. And, but it turned out after my own investigation, I pulled this liner out. Okay? And when I pulled this liner out, I noticed that I go all the way down, which is cool. And I was walking perfectly. I didn't have not one problem. Okay? So I went a week later back to my leg guy, and I told him, look, I don't know how to explain it, but I took this plastic liner off, which you can see the original one, and what the new one looks like. Now the new one looks like this because he made an adjustment. He went from that tip and decided to cut it off. Okay? So the first thing you do when you have a problem with your new leg, because obviously it was made too small, is before you take it to him while you're home suffering, do your own thing. You know? Do your own thing to figure it out, because sometimes it is hard for us to explain to someone else what's not feeling right. Take it easy, everyone.